Hello, Lori here. I'm going to show you how to use the new MissMint trading cards. If I open this folder, you can see that there are cool trading cards in here. And these come as pings, and I'm going to show you how to use them on a dot page. So you can see I'm using the MissMint template 16, and I am going to just open one of these folders. And I don't need the preview at all, but I do need to pull these over in the correct order. So the way I do it is to go to Details and then to flip them so it's the back layer first. You just pull those onto the page, and once they're all there, I'm going to keep them all selected, and I will use a cutter straight edge and move it off to the side so that it doesn't cut through them, and now each one of these is a layer. If I choose at this point, I can group, and then maybe I want to tuck that card behind these photos that I'd put in, or I could possibly take it and replace that. But what I do notice, if I go back and I look at the preview, you can see that not every piece got to the front. So I'm going to just ungroup, and here are those white pieces that ended up underneath, and that happens quite frequently, not a big deal. Just select them and move it to the front, and now everything is there. At this point, of course, I could just start filling with whatever paper. I'm going to just show you based on this template how easy it is to fill in using our sample colors. And we can customize that any way that we want. The player name, we would just insert a text box and type in whatever text we want. And if I wanted to match it fairly well, I would change my size until it gets to about the same. And based on whatever font you're using, of course, the size would be different. And then as you put that in, just angulate it until it matches fairly closely, and go back and delete the one that's there. So you can just fill it in like this, and then I always select it again and group, and then you can arrange to put it exactly where the other part is that you want to go ahead and replace, and group it. It'll go to the right layer, and then ungroup, and you can now move it around within there however you'd like. Have fun.